Hello guys, welcome back into a new informative video. In this video I am going to tell you how you can get the dynamic island feature which is available in iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max in your Android phone. So watch the video without any skip, and if you are new in my channel then please consider to subscribe, like and share. So at first you will have to install an application. The link of the application is provided in the comment section, so please download it from there. Now open the application. The app will ask for some permissions. Allow those. After allowing, your phone will get the dynamic island feature, and this will work on any mobile.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off as friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled.
It's so cold outside, I'm alone